Hello, friends. Welcome to Cat Flow Cat Salutation. This pose is called prayer pose. Stand tall, hands together in prayer. This pose is called mountain pose. Lower your arms to your sides, palms facing out, feet slightly apart. This pose is called upward salute. Arms up, palms touching in prayer. Feet slightly apart, stand tall. This pose is called forward fold. Bend over and place your palms on the ground. Feet together. Bend your knees if you need to. Halfway lift. Lift up to a flat back. Place your hands on your shins. Feet together. Forward fold. Bend over and place your palms on the ground. Feet together. This pose is called plank pose. Place your hands underneath your shoulders. Step back into the top of a push-up position. This pose is called upward facing dog. Chaturanga. In plank pose, lower your shoulders closer to the ground. Curve your spine and look up. This pose is called downward facing dog. Push your body up and back. Try to look at your navel. Back to forward fold. Walk or jump your feet to your hands. Halfway lift. Lift up halfway to a flat back. Place your hands on your shins. Forward fold. Bend over and place your palms on the ground. Feet together. Upward salute. Raise your body up. Bring your palms together in prayer. Prayer pose. Circle your arms to your waist. Palms together in prayer. Samasiti. Repeat the cat flow salutation. Namaste. Repeat the cat flow salutation. Namaste.